Looking to boost energy, improve digestion, and enhance overall health? The key lies in superfoods. Nutrient-dense foods that provide maximum benefits in small servings. In this video, I'll share the top superfoods you should eat daily and how to incorporate them effortlessly into your meals. Blueberries, antioxidant powerhouse, rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Blueberries combat oxidative stress, support brain function, and promote heart health. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Leafy greens, nutrient-dense essentials. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with fiber, iron, and vitamins A, C, and K. Support immunity. Use them in salads, smoothies, or sautéed dishes. Chia seeds, an omega-3 and fiber source. High in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds promote digestion, heart health, and sustained energy. Soak in water for a pudding, blend into smoothies, or sprinkle over meals. Salmon, heart-healthy protein, a top source of omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon reduces inflammation, improves brain function, and supports cardiovascular health. Grill, bake, or add to salads for a protein-rich meal. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory superfood. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Add it to teas, soups, or use with black pepper for better absorption. Greek yogurt, gut health booster, rich in probiotics, protein, and calcium. Greek yogurt improves digestion, strengthens bones, and supports metabolism. Consume plain or add fresh fruits and nuts. Healthy fats and protein. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds provide essential fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They aid brain function, reduce inflammation, and enhance satiety. Snack on them or mix into meals. Dark chocolate. High-quality dark chocolate is packed with flavonoids that support heart health, reduce stress, and improve brain function. Consume in moderation for maximum benefits. Foods into your diet daily can significantly improve your overall well-being. Which one will you add first? Let me know in the comments.